Welcome to Yoga Detox 30. My name is Travis Eliot.
And I'm Lauren Eckstrom. Yoga Detox 30 is for people who are ready to rid themselves of addictions and negative habits. Along the way, you can expect to purify your body of toxins, increase muscle tone, increase fat loss, and clarify your mind and your heart.
This 30-day program is unlike any other because it is truly holistic. You can expect to move through about an hour yoga each day, watch a 5 to 10 minute talk on a transformative subject, and also do workbook exercises to ensure that this program is powerful both on the inside and the outside.
Included in your program are 8 60-minute thematic yoga practices, including power yoga, yin yoga, and gentle yoga. 30 special talks to give you special guidance each day, a digital calendar to help keep you on track, and a downloadable workbook full of journaling exercises. To help support you in this, we've included a list of healthy and fun recipes for breakfast, lunch, dinner, and snacks. You'll also get exclusive access to our private online community where you can connect with other people going through the program around the world.
We want to commend you for having the courage to take on this challenge, and we are very honored to share this journey with you.
It's our sincere hope that these will be some of the most powerful 30 days of your life. It's time to begin.